What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It feels so good to be back. It's reopening day. We're going to check out everything that's going on with Iron Gwazi and the rest of the park. Before we head inside, let's check out the Tram Stop and the temperature screening area to see what's going on there. Our chariot has arrived. So they're distancing on the trams as well, as we can see. We wait, they load a row, and then we hop on. Hello. Alright, so as soon as you get off the tram, you get into the queue over here, where there are distance markers on the ground. We can see signs right here telling us this is going to be the temperature screening right here inside this tent. Hello. So as soon as we get inside, they do have masks available for sale right there, and sanitizer. And then right over here is where they will do the temperature check. Alright, so we just had a chance to do the temperature screening. Was it quick and easy?
Yeah, it's totally quick and easy. Just pop in the tent, scan your forehead. Seriously, it takes about 1 second.
Yeah, no issues whatsoever.
No issues whatsoever.
We're ready to go inside the park. Let's do it. More signage right out front, as we can see right here. Before you head inside, we have more distancing stickers on the ground, and there's security.
Before you break something,
Yep. He's like one of my best friends, so I didn't even know that.
I think he's here today and tomorrow.
He's here every day.
Yeah. Now that they let him back.
All right, so here we go. Reservation and ticket in hand. Let's go. Hello. Thank you. And that easy. We're in. So yep, not a long wait to get through everything for security, temperature check, and all that. We're in the park. Let's do this. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen, Iron Gwazi. It's almost painful to look at, knowing that she's not going to be testing or opening anytime soon. Fingers crossed that'll change, but we'll see.
Right, you know, it was right before they shut down.
This work wall is still up. A lot of the other ones that were taken down during our last updates, well, they're still down. Queue looks good. Sign right there, also beautiful. We did have a bunch of work walls out here, and it looks like they've been pushed back just a little bit. But here's the main entrance. We can actually go right underneath the wait sign right here.
Sign work. What's the number? The manufacturer. Oh, theme-wise. Yeah, all the boxes are That should be at Disney more than here.
How long have y'all been waiting for Iron Gwazi?
Since the announcement?
Since it closed.
Directly underneath the station, we can see an entrance sign, lockers, and quick queue. And a physical quick queue machine has been installed right beyond the walls. So the burning question that everybody has been asking, when will Iron Gwazi open? Well, there's some outside circumstances that are affecting this project, and we don't know when it's going to be testing again or when it will possibly open. But of course, we'll keep you updated like we have the entire process. When things change, we'll let you know. And it appears the Iron Gwazi merchandise cart will not be open today.
Dragons was my, when it was dueling, my all-time favorite.
That was phenomenal.
And burnt.
Afterburn.
Watering hole is also closed. Work wall's still up over here, and Gwazi Gliders is closed today as well.
Oh, so you need like one of those face shields?
More than. When the car looks like someone threw up on the front of it every time.
Well, this is a bit different. We used to have some games in this area, like a hanging one and a Plinko board game style one, but no longer there. Slapshot Hockey looks like it's closed off right now, as well as 3-point shootout. Over here at Gwazi Climb, well, deflated. There will be no climbing of ladders today. And Gwazi Park, no signage for food and wine. Obviously that's not going to be continuing on, but we have a lot of the booths still out. As there's one right over here that's been converted though to a hand washing station. So as you can see right here, people can come up, wash their hands, get sanitizer as well. Kind of nice. Right over here by excursions and the restrooms, well, we can see the sign. It says face covering relaxation zone. So it's optional if you want to wear them. You don't have to. Another area over here where food and wine was, well, now it's just seating, as we can see right there. And just to the side, well, we have that Coke stage with all sorts of decorations. Looks nice. Now, I know we just said stage, but this can be a venue for multiple things. As we see tables there, they have refreshments, and you can hang lights and everything. So yeah, multiple uses. Pink chickens! Yes! And check it out! Sesame Street. It's open. And that's right, we even have performances a little bit later. Grover, and even this roller coaster has social distancing going on as the rows are blocked off every other one. The water play area, however, is not in operation. Gwazi Field still has the stage up for food and wine, but everything else, bare. Telly's Jungle Jam and Cookie's Canopy Crawl, well, both of those are closed, unfortunately. Same goes for Elmos Treehouse. Lorry Landing, unfortunately not currently in operation, but the birdies are in there. Shikra, also known as an awesome way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Let's do that now. Ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's do this right now. Woo! All right. Little pause before the other drop. The ride. And there we go, right on Shikra with a facial mask. Goodbye. Tygris, currently in operation with a 40-minute wait, and if there was going to be a ride that has issues with loading because of capacity, well, it's going to be this one, as it has one train, and they're doing social distancing. Stanley Falls Flume, currently closed. Be nice considering it's very hot today. Here we have another relaxation zone, and this is right next to Stanley Falls Flume. So we have tables over here where you can take your mask down for a little bit. Treetop Trails, and unfortunately it doesn't look like any of the attractions are open in there, but we do have another relaxation area right over here in Jungala. Skyride, and it's currently not in operation, so unfortunately we will not get aerial views from this of Project Jethro or Iron Gwazi. Congo River Rapids, and this is the line currently. It says 30 minutes. Kumba, and it's currently in operation. We actually heard that it wasn't going to be, but surprise, surprise, it's running. Bumper cars, unfortunately, are not in operation today. Yep, unfortunately, no buckets today. But hey, at least our survey marking is still here. No shows today here at the Pantopia Theater, unfortunately. Well, we can see the carousel's running. Sand Serpent, and that's running. That's good. The Phoenix, still not in operation, and we don't have any new information if it's going to be leaving or not. It has been testing though, so who knows. But yes, still here, and now they have a hand washing station right there at the entrance. Falcon's Fury, also known as a great way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Let's do that now. Scorpion, and good news, it's in operation today. Dragonfire, still open. Elefantes, also known as land manatees, and we got one way over there. Project Jethro, and unfortunately there's no new news for this. All the dates that we had in a previous video are no longer good, as well, that's definitely changed.
That's what we're thinking. Yeah, Cedar Point. All of them. We all have those.
Animal Connections, and luckily for us, it's open. Pink chickens! Up close pink chickens. Sloth! It's a sloth! Tuxedo birds! Good to see them. Hi. Cheetah Hunt. Yes, it's currently running, as we can see, doing the figure 8 right now before taking the drop, but it is really good to see this thing running again, and guests are enjoying themselves. Cheetah Hunt, and the ride is currently showing a 50-minute wait. Ouch. Cobras Curse, unfortunately, is not in operation right now. It was open a little bit earlier, but yep, it's down now. And last but not least, Montu. As you can see right here, the big old bad invert. It's open today. And yet another relaxation area right next to Cheetah Hunt, and in between, of course, Cobras Curse. Moroccan Palace, and unfortunately, no shows today. Well guys, that's going to do it for our visit here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Iron Gwazi / reopening procedures and all that jazz. Gotta say, it felt really awesome being back in the park, being able to catch a couple rides, but it just killed me seeing Iron Gwazi and not knowing when it might reopen. Of course, we'll have more updates from here. If you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.